Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making this incredibly delicious herb and tomato oven baked chicken. Just incredible. You can serve this up with your favorite side dish like rice, potatoes, whatever you like. So let me walk you through this. First off, what I have here are 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm just going to pound these out so they get nice and flat and tender. Okay, now my chicken is pounded out. I'm going to place them in a fairly large mixing bowl. So we're going to add in a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of oregano, 3 cloves of minced garlic, of course some salt and pepper. I just love pepper. Juice of half a lemon, and a drizzle of olive oil. So I'm just going to go ahead and toss this up until everything is well combined. This smells so good. After that, I'm going to take my casserole dish and line it with some red onions. Lay the chicken over the bed of onions. Smells incredible. Then add in some cherry tomatoes, which I've sliced in half. Okay, I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil. Place this in a 425 degree preheated oven, Fahrenheit, for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, I'm going to remove the foil. So good. And I'm going to put this back in for another 10 or 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, we're nicely done here, so I'm going to let this rest for a few minutes. So I'm going to garnish this up with some fresh parsley. And there you have it, our zesty oven-baked herb and tomato chicken. So let's do a taste test here. Absolutely incredible. Juicy, tender, the herbs are wonderful. I love the tomatoes. You gotta make this. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. All kinds of cool chicken recipes. You're gonna love it. So thanks for subbing, thanks for watching, and see you next time.